Developing Success. This is Neha Agarwal, and today I have come up to discuss with one more important topic, and that is black fungus or the mucormycosis. So it has engulfed India, and it is another health emergency in India which is going on during the COVID-19 pandemic. So states like Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Bihar, Telangana, Karnataka, they have already seen number of cases and are still counting. So what is this disease all about? It is caused by the fungi Micromycetes, and this fungi is present everywhere. It is present in our soil, it is present in the plants, it is present in the rotten woods, it is present in the animal dung, even it is present in your houses. So how can we see that in our houses? Have you seen the old bread in your houses with that black mark? That is the black fungus. Also on your old fruits. So why has it become a matter of concern suddenly? Because it is rare. So why is it rare? It is very common in plants but not in animals and humans. The humans have a defined immune system which helps us to fight this disease always. So suddenly it has become a matter of concern, and it affects the patients like, first, the patients with diabetic. Second, it is with the patients who have undergone the liver transplantation or some organ transplantation. Third, who have stayed on the ventilator for a long period of time. So why is it affecting the COVID-19 patients? It is affecting the COVID-19 ones because they are given the steroids in the form of medicines, and these steroids suppress the immune system. And when the immune system gets suppressed, these fungi can attack and invade the human tissues. So how does it come into our body? It can invade our body when we inhale it through the nose, or it can also invade when some kind of wound is there. So that wound can affect only the local area, but if you inhale it through the nose, then it can affect the lungs, it can also go to the brain, and then it can affect the central nervous system also. So what are the symptoms which we should look for? The symptoms are fever, headache, redness in the eyes, swelling in the nose and the face. Then we have the facial pain, shortness of breath, and obviously it can also take the vision. Yes, it can take our vision. So when it enters the brain, it can also take the life. So how can we prevent it? So the prevention can be, first, mask on. Second, control the sugar levels. Third, check on the use of steroids. Fourth, personal hygiene. And fifth, for the COVID-19 patients, that without proper recovery, don't go out, because the body is vulnerable and these fungi are everywhere, so they can attack the body. And if we are going out, we need to mask on and maintain the personal hygiene. So this was all about the black fungus or the mucormycosis. Thank you so much.